So we had put off doing a bathroom renovation for over 20 years because we knew it was a huge job and hadn't really found anyone that we thought could handle the project. Jeff recently had looked up Happy Reno and saw the reviews and scheduled a meeting with Dimitri. And right from the start, we were overwhelmed with his confidence, his reassurance, his design, and his attention to detail.
We are so amazed and thrilled with the results. I relied on Dimitri and his team, and I would not hesitate to refer him and to have him do any other renovation job in my house.